Hi, my name's Tim Galloway. I am the owner and founder of goodwerks. Goodwerks was started in 2020 when my decade-long career as a photojournalist abruptly ended because I was no longer able to interface with folks, and I was forced to make a decision whether or not to sit by and collect a check from the government or if I wanted to create something new. So that's what I did. Goodwerks is not just a company, it's not just a brand, it's not just about the products. Goodwerks is about community, and there's been an amazing community that's come up around Goodwerks of like-minded folks who love to use their gear, to test their gear, and push their gear to the limit. I am proud to make products here in the United States that are simple, durable, and they're gonna take anything that you can throw at it. Goodwerks gear encompasses a range of pouches and bags that are meant to fit your EDC or everyday carry needs. The flagship product, the Boogie Bag, has gone through countless hours of training and hundreds upon hundreds of hours of grueling endurance event use. The reason I'm seeking capital for Goodwerks is because I'm maxed out. I cannot produce more product in addition to all the other aspects of Goodwerks without some help. I'm looking to get a new space for Goodwerks as I'm currently in my home basement, and that way I have a safe place where I can hire employees to come help as well. I'm also looking to furnish said workshop once it's acquired with things like shelves, production table, and additional machinery to support the employees that I'm aiming to get. In addition to a workshop and employees, I'm looking to consolidate some business debt and acquire more raw material. The growth in demand for Goodwerks was completely unexpected. Generally, when I restock products, they're gone in 1 to 2 minutes, and I'm getting messages immediately after the email goes out saying, hey, when are you gonna have some more? Did I miss out on that? Man, I'm bummed I missed out on the 7th or 8th time I've tried. As much as I love the fact that Goodwerks products move that quickly, it really bums me out to hear that folks are really trying to get the product but unable to. So these funds will enable me to fulfill that demand, to help those folks get the products that they're really looking for, and really to grow the Goodwerks community, which is the most important part. The next evolution of Goodwerks has been a long time coming. I knew that when I discovered Honeycomb Credit over a year ago, that their community-based platform was a good match for Goodwerks. I'm really excited for the next step. I'm even more excited to have the community be involved with it. Thank you so much for taking your time to watch this video and to get information about investing in Goodwerks. And remember, tread thou boldly.